Richpanel helps top e-commerce stores to delight their customers with super fast customer service and turn one-time shoppers into repeat loyal customers. Using Richpanel, e-com stores can automate support scenarios like order tracking, exchanges, returns, cancellations, and product FAQs. Here we see a customer, Freddie, who can see all his orders and track the real-time status of each order. Let's say Freddie wants to exchange the bathrobe he ordered. He can simply use the exchange flow to select the item he wants to exchange, enter the reason for the exchange, and submit his request. It's as simple as that. The self-service widget pre-fills all the information for Freddie, and he can self-resolve issues like these in less than 30 seconds. Let's take a look at the agent experience. Since the self-service widget weeds out the common repetitive tasks, your agents can now focus on providing one-on-one personalized support and converting more customers. Richpanel lets your agents manage customer messages from chat, email, Instagram, Facebook, and even phone calls in one inbox. Agents will also have complete information about the customer's order details, lifetime value, the products they have been browsing, and more. Agents don't need to juggle between multiple systems to get these details and can quickly resolve customer issues, resulting in a delighted customer. Richpanel has a comprehensive analytics dashboard that gives you complete visibility on popular support topics, revenue driven by customer service, and your team performance. The leading e-commerce brands trust Richpanel to automate their customer service and use their support agents to drive more purchases. Get your free trial or book a demo at www.richpanel.com.